MPC Live III features a powerful new performance Touchstrip, adding a new level of dynamics and control to your music production. MPC Live III's new Touchstrip allows you to assign and control everything from different parameters and effects at the touch of your fingertips. We can start by holding down the Touch Config button to access our different modes. Here, we can access everything from our Touchstrip plugin to playing notes, pitch bend, to track and pad levels, to customize projects and cue-link control. Let's start with our Touch Effects plugin, which we can add over our beat in real time. We have a whole collection of presets, which are great for live performance, to add in different textures to your production. You can add everything from reverse, to beat repeat, to tape stops, and DJ washout effects. We can also use the Touchstrip when we're triggering external synths to internal plug-in instruments, adding everything from modulation, sustain, to pitch bend. Let's add this over a track. As you can hear, using the Touchstrip adds a whole new level of performance to your instruments. We can also control our cue links and custom projects that we've assigned effects to using the Touchstrip. As I select the cue link, it will automatically allow me to control the effect using the Touchstrip. Using the Touchstrip can add character and texture to your beats. We can also use the Touchstrip to control note repeat by jumping through the different time divisions. So let's play a beat and add some hats. As I press the Touchstrip, I'm jumping between all of the different time divisions available.